If the Democrats in Congress wanted to pass a federal law protecting abortion tomorrow, they could do that tomorrow. I think it's pretty clear that a law like that would be totally permissible, and it's just a question of political will. So we still have a legislative filibuster, which means in the Senate, you need 60 votes to pass a piece of legislation. And so I think it really is going to come down to sort of how much political pressure both the president and the public bring to bear on representatives in Congress. Because again, they could essentially preempt this decision by passing federal legislation that protects access to abortion in every state. And then it wouldn't matter if Roe, were overturned, because even if the Constitution doesn't protect that right, the federal statute does. I mentioned that Congress could protect abortion by statute nationwide. Congress could also prohibit abortion by statute nationwide or severely curtail it. So then it doesn't matter if you live in a blue state whose laws protect abortion. If Congress passes a 12-week ban or a 6-week ban, that is the law that controls whatever your state law, previously provided. And I think, an even more radical step would be something that there are some potential seeds of in this Alito opinion, which is that if the court were to recognize a right to fetal personhood, right, that a fetus is a person under the Constitution, that person has rights, then states would have no choice but to prohibit abortion in every state. So, and that's not something even Congress could override if the Constitution says that fetuses have rights that must be respected. In the future, depending on how the Supreme Court looks in the coming years and decades, that even in blue states there is not some very permissive or liberal regime with respect to abortion, but in fact the Constitution requires a total ban on abortion nationwide. So I think actually all of that is within the realm of possible.